Hello everyone, this is Sagarika from Campus Technology, a portfolio company of Times Internet. So today I will be sharing with you all a comprehensive overview of the diverse opportunities available for students after completing a Bachelor of Arts degree. So let me just begin the presentation. Okay. So, as you all know, in our contemporary times, we have a lot of newer vocational options that are available for students with an undergraduate degree in arts or social sciences. So, let's begin, shall we? So, I have started the presentation by giving a brief overview of BA, that is the meaning of Bachelor of Arts. So, according to the Cambridge Dictionary, a Bachelor of Arts is a first degree or qualification in a social sciences or humanities background. It basically deals with students coming from the humanities background, having subjects like economics, sociology, geography, political science, psychology, philosophy, etc. So, I have listed down some of the commonly chosen BA courses for you all. So we start with BA English. I have written English, but it can be any other languages as well. Then we have psychology, philosophy, sociology, history, journalism and mass communication, linguistics, archaeology, and finance. So I will be giving a brief overview of the career opportunities available for each of the schools. So we have BA English or other languages. As you can see in the picture, we have given you a picture describing a library with a lot of books. You can see the staircases, you can see the number of books available, and it seriously makes me want to go there. But, anyways, we'll stick to the topic. So, as a person with an graduate degree in any of a language, you can be a content writer. You all know, as a part of a technologically advanced nation and a world, more and more writers are needed for writing innovative content for the web. As a content writer, you will be required to give innovative ideas and draft contents aligning with the motto of your company. You can also act as a freelancer in your later years, but initially it's better to start as a content writer as part of any particular firm. Then you have creative writing. So, as a creative writer, you can work in media forms where you would be writing short stories, poems, speeches, scripts, etc. As a copywriter, you are mostly required to work at ad agencies writing catchy one liners. Copywriters are highly demanded in today's society. Do you all remember the Amul ads we find for years now? They are all part of copywriting industry. As a social media marketing personality, you would be involved in writing SEO friendly articles. Social media has become the part of ebb and flow of life. So, social media marketing people create content and advertising those content on social media websites like Facebook, Instagram, etc. You would be required to be acquainted with the SEO practices that will enable you to rank your content. You can also create exciting campaigns and market the brand on various platforms and help reach a wider number of audiences. As a teacher, you can work at a school or college and teach the younger generations about the English literature or any other literature, the varieties, the authors who have written various texts, etc. If you have a thorough knowledge of two languages, you can work as a translator as well and help convert texts to other languages and also help people from different communities and interact with each other and reach the mass. Next, we have BA Psychology. So, as a psychology graduate, you will definitely have acquired subject related skills like empathy, rational thinking, and listening skills. So, if you are someone who's looking to be or looking to work as a career counselor, you can assist young students and their parents in taking the right vocational path. This is a highly prospective field in today's competitive work. As a clinical psychologist, you will be working in clinics and hospitals and care for patients and provide psychotherapy for mental illnesses. You can conduct interviews and tests to analyze the problem. Next, we have sports psychologist, which is a very interesting field. So, if you are someone who has always wanted to make a mark in the sports domain, this one is for you. A sports psychologist is concerned with improving the physical, emotional, and mental state of an athlete. You would be required to boost athletes' self esteem and assist in proper stress management. You can also work as a teacher with a psychology degree in a school or at a college or university. As a social worker, you will be working with people coming from different sectors of society with various kinds of humanitarian issues like migration, unemployment, illiteracy, physical and mental abuse. You can provide community services to these people and help them find a new perspective. As a school counselor, you will be mostly working at schools, helping students from various age groups and classes deal with their problems, be it mental health issues like depression, be it anxiety, be it stress management, education related problem, etc. Next, we have BA Philosophy. So, as a philosophy graduate, you can work as a content writer and use your humanities background for delivering high impact articles. You can also act as a researcher, conducting studies on the philosophical theories given by renowned philosophers or develop newer variations to the older versions of those theories. As you can all see, I have mentioned a term called archivist. So, who is an archivist? An archivist is a person who looks after and preserves collections of rare historical records and documents. Interesting, right? So, as an archivist, you will appraise the value of these materials, preserve them, and create a catalog for other people to access and get help. You can also work at an NGO as a social worker and help the society deal with their problems and give emotional assistance to those people. Philosophy as a subject is also a highly lucrative field for people who has always wanted to be in the teaching profession. Next, we come to BS Sociology. As you can see from the picture, I have tried including a picture which depicts diversity and basically unity in diversity. There are people from different backgrounds, all putting their hands on each other and creating a global friendship. So, as a BA Sociology graduate, you can work as a social worker, helping different societies in need, be it children, women, differently abled people, or the older citizens. Market research would include conducting deep market analysis, studying the statistical data, and thereby uh, evaluating the clientele demands and the requirements of the common masses. You can also be a teacher, teaching students on the efficacy of sociological acts and principles. As a rehabilitation counselor, you would be working with distressed women and children. You would help them heal from their trauma and the abuse they have faced. You can also be a social critic. Social critics uh, are people who analyze the newer forms of laws and how they can affect the citizens both positively and negatively. You can also be a journalist working for a news agency or freelancing and streamlining those to mainstream media. Next, we have BA History. So, as a person, you can be a historian, museologist, museum curator, teacher, or archivist. As the term exact explains, historian, you'll be dealing with the various historical artifacts, you'll be studying books, monuments, and their uses in the world and how they can be curated or streamlined into the academic courses of students of various ages. Museum curator, you would be working with museums, curating the artifacts and the sculptors and the various historical things that could be included in a museum so that the larger people can know about our ancient times. BA Journalism and Mass Communication, you can see the pictures of newspapers. So, as the name suggests, this mostly deals with news agencies. So, if you can, as a journalist, you can work in news agencies, freelancing, and streamlining those to mainstream media. If you like connecting with people, you can also work as a radio jockey or what we called RJ. You can be a content creator, creating various forms of materials on fashion, lifestyle, food, legal activities based on your niche. As a PR professional, you would be dealing and interacting with various kinds of people on daily basis and would be required to have excellent interpersonal skills. Next, we come to BA Linguistics. Linguistics, as a term, is not a study of a particular language, but it's the basically study of the structure of language. So, this is a complex term and a very, very focused uh, field which not a lot of people take up. But if you are someone who has taken up BA Linguistics, we have a range of careers available just for you. So here we have the publishing industry. You can go for copy editing or proofreading. So I'll tell you a basic difference between copy editing and proofreading. So as a proofreader, you would be required to have a thorough knowledge of the technical intricacies like spelling mistakes, punctuation errors, grammatical errors, etc. And you would be required to correct those. But as a copy editor, along with the basic skills of a proofreader, you would be required to work along with your client and make better word choices that would enable the article to look more interesting and easier to read. Next, you can see the term lexicographer. Lexicographer is a person who has um always been fascinated with dictionaries. So, as a lexicographer, you will study lexicons and compile dictionaries and edit them. As a speech and language therapist, you would be supporting children and adults having difficulty in communicating, eating, and drinking. You will assist them in freely speaking and communicating with each other. As we have developed into a global economy, more and more people are interested in learning a foreign language that would enable them to communicate efficiently. So, as a foreign language teacher, you can teach non native students learn a foreign language, which includes speech and written text, and the various approaches that can be used for teaching depends on you. Next, we come to BA Archaeology. So, as an archaeologist, you would be excavating sites, leading research teams, and finding a path to the ancient civilizations, which has been forgotten by our modern civilizations. As a conservator, you would be required to repair and preserve older things of cultural and environmental interest, such as monuments and artifacts. As a museum curator, as I have already told for BA History, you would be curating collections, exhibits and other artifacts that will be displayed at the museum. You will play a large role in how the museum's visitors experience the materials they see. These museums can be of various kinds. It can be natural history museum, it can be a memorial museum. What do I mean by a memorial museum? A memorial museum can be one like the World War II Memorial Museum, which has collections from the victims or families of the Holocaust. Then in India, we have the Partition Museum, which recalls the horror faced by those during the 1947 independence of India. So that's it from my side. Thank you for watching, and I will meet you soon.